today I will explain Taenia saginata, also known as the beef tapeworm. This parasite is common in humans and is usually spread through eating raw or undercooked beef. So what is Taenia saginata looks like? So Taenia saginata is a flat and long worm that lives inside the small intestine of humans. It looks like a white ribbon and can grow 4 to 10 meters and sometimes even up to 25 meters long. The head of the worm has 4 suckers that help it stick to the intestine. Unlike other tapeworms, this one has no hooks, so it is called unarmed. So its body is made of many small segments called proglottids, and each segment has eggs inside. So how do people get infected? People get infected mainly by eating raw or undercooked beef that contains the parasite's larva called Cysticercus bovis. And poor sanitation, where human feces contaminate grass or water and cows accidentally eats the eggs. So cows act as the intermediate host and humans are the final host. So let's proceed the life cycle. So the life cycle begins when cows eat grass contaminated with tapeworm or eggs inside the cow. The eggs turn into larvae and stay in the muscles. So when a person eats beef that is not cooked properly, the larvae enter the human intestine and grow into a long adult tapeworm. The worm then releases segment, which is a proglottids, and eggs that pass out through human feces, continuing the cycle. So what is the symptoms or sign kapag may isang tapeworm na? So many people don't feel anything, but some experience stomach discomfort, diarrhea, weight loss, and gas or bloating. So one of the most noticeable signs is when proglottids, worm segment, come out through the anus or are seen in stool. These segments may move, which can be alarming. So let's proceed the diagnosis. Doctors diagnose Taenia saginata by checking stool samples for eggs or segment. Examine the proglottids under a microscope. The proglottids of Taenia saginata usually have 12 or more branches in the uterus. So let's proceed the treatment. Treatment is easy and effective. The most common medicine is praziquantel, which kills the tapeworm inside the intestine. So the One Health concept, Taenia saginata shows the connection between human health, infection from eating raw beef. Next is animal health, cows carry the larvae. So the next is environmental health, poor sanitation spreads the eggs. So all three must work together to prevent infections. So let's proceed with the prevention and control. To avoid getting this tapeworm, we should cook beef properly. Next is practice good hygiene and sanitation. And next is support regular meat inspection. And next is join public awareness program. And the last one is encourage cooperation between health, veterinary, and environmental sectors. So that's all po.